What's up, Dreamer Tribe? What's up, world? I am Bianca, and this is my channel. So for today, I'm going to be giving you all another tutorial regarding the Nintendo Switch and using various controllers to be able to play on it. Now for today, our highlight would be using the PlayStation 3 controller on your Nintendo Switch. So of all the consoles that I own, the Sony PlayStation 3 is the one with the most controllers. Using your PlayStation 3 controller on the Nintendo Switch isn't really complicated. You only need a couple of things to get started, and those are, first of all, you need a PlayStation 3 controller. You would need the USB cable used for charging the PlayStation 3 controller. You'd also need the 8-bit DO wireless controller that I have been using for these tutorials, and a computer. Now for on the software side, you're gonna need the 8-bit DO wireless adapters, PlayStation 3 connectivity application, as well as another app, and that is the 6-axis paired tool. I will include the links for those softwares or those applications in the video description below, so if you guys are interested, be sure to download and install those apps first. Alright, so as I have mentioned, you would need this PS3 tool that you can download from the 8-bit DO website. So just head on over there, then select on support, and it will give you a list of all their products. Just download the tools from the tools tab, the tool for PS3. So just choose which OS your computer supports and download it. Once you've extracted it, it will give you these two files. So again, choose whichever OS your computer supports. Now you also would be given these set of instructions that you can follow. So again, you also would need the 6-axis pair tool, which you can download from the website shown on the browser on your screen right now. So just choose this, wait for it to download, and again, save it wherever you want, and of course install it before you actually use 8-bit DO's PS3 tool. Alright, so once you have installed everything that we need, you can now open the PS3 tool from 8-bit DO. So it would ask you to connect your 8-bit DO to your PC, and you do that the same way you do it when you're updating or when you're connecting it with your Nintendo Switch. So just hold on the connectivity button before inserting it on your USB drive, and it should show a blue color. Now it would ask you to set up this driver, and you can install it, but I found that when I tried to do it again, it keeps asking me to install it. So once is enough. You don't actually have to keep reinstalling it. And then after that, you can insert your PS3 controller to your 8-bit or to your PC. Alright, so one of the things that I forgot to do while I was recording that tutorial is that you actually need to have a 6-axis pair tool running for the 8-bit DO PS3 tool to detect your PS3 controller. So before you actually insert your your PS3, which is connected to its USB cord, into your PC, make sure that the 6-axis pair tool is running. So once that has been detected, or once the 8-bit DO PS3 controller has detected your PS3 controller, you just click on the pair button and it would be good to go. So you only actually have to do this once for each controller that you want, or each PS3 controller that you would want to use on your Switch. So it runs the same way as it does on the PS4 with the PS4 controller. Analog sticks are better, the buttons are better, and also it feels natural. And I guess I'm just biased about the PlayStation controllers. I know a lot of people would rather use their Xbox controllers, but for me, it's the PlayStation controllers are the best fit for my hands. Anyway, as you can see, the steps, the procedure in using your PlayStation 3 controller with your with your Nintendo Switch is actually really simple. The instruction that went or with the PlayStation Tool that 8BitDo has, however, isn't that complete. Again, it doesn't tell you what to check for, what to look out for when you're trying to pair your PlayStation 3 controller with your 8BitDo wireless adapter. So I really hope that this video helps those who would want to use their extra PlayStation 3 controllers they're just lying around the house on their Nintendo Switch. So what do you guys think? Did you guys think that this video is helpful? If so, don't forget to comment below and leave a thumbs up if you appreciate this tutorial. Again, there would be others like this. If I can actually find my Xbox controller, then I would also add a tutorial for using that with your Nintendo Switch. A thing to note though is that your PlayStation 3 controller can also be used on your PC using the 8BitDo wireless adapter, and it is done in the same fashion as you would with your Nintendo Switch. Similar to that is the PlayStation 4 controller that I made a tutorial for. You can also use that on your PC with the 8BitDo wireless adapter. So as you can see, the 8BitDo wireless adapter is really a cool accessory. It's a cool thing to have if you're a gamer and if you would want to save money and save yourself from buying different kinds of controllers for your Switch, for your PC. You can just use whatever you have lying around, since it does support the Wii U even, the Xbox controllers, the PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4 controllers. So it's a good deal. So anyways, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe and be a part of our notification squad by clicking on the bell icon below. Again, thank you to our new subscribers, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, dream on, fly on.